What is up, YouTube? I'm back. I know I've been on a little hiatus, but I'm finally back. And this video is about me passing the 100K FTMO challenge. So, as you can see, looking at this chart, this challenge was very hectic. I would say the verification, the challenge was phase one was really easy to pass, but phase two, um, as you can see here, yeah, we went on a crazy ride, but in one day, literally recover all my losses. I was down about 8%, and I was able in one trade to make, the required 5%. So I'm gonna go over the trade that I took to help me get that and the strategy that I used. But some key takeaways from this whole experience for you guys to learn from. Um, I was trading when I had a lot of stuff going outside. My life. A lot of things were going on outside of trading, so I should have known not to, be on the chart if I'm not emotionally there. So to be able to pass this while being down so big is really it's a blessing. So as you can see that the most I lost was $8,866. I was even close to hitting the daily loss limit. However, I didn't hit it. Like 3 days away from technically passing. So in one day, which was today, I made about $13,000. Really just scalping and waiting for a big movement, which I got from today from US 30. So we're gonna get into that very shortly. But the main thing that really helped me was keeping my risk to reward higher. Although my win rate is, as you can see, it was really bad for the verification phase, I was still able to pass because I'm keeping that risk to reward to 3. So it's very important to manage your risk to reward. And most importantly, you got to make sure you're mentally there and focus on the chart. And another tip is don't trade NFP week because that's very chaotic. But that's my personal preference. So as you can see here, a lot of red days. It was pretty bad. Pretty bad. Just losing, revenge trading. That's what really messed me up. The first week that I got this verification account, I was up. I was 2% away from passing, and I forced it, and therefore I had a really big loss. I believe it was this July 6th, and I had a really big loss that just started making me lose a lot. However, just stuck with my signature trades and found this beautiful setup on US 30, which really put me in profit, really recovered my losses and put me in profit. So here, the main reason why I took this sell on US 30, although it was hectic, I got stopped out about 3 times before it finally went my way. But overall, it's mainly because of market structure. So if we look here on the 4-hour, we started trending downward. As you can see, we're creating, let me get my tool. We were creating lower highs, lower lows. So we were trending downwards. It's more clear on the 1-hour. So let me go there now. So on the 1-hour, you could see it a little better. So here, I had my entry around the 88 fib. However, it started shooting up, which is why I got stopped out. So therefore, I put another entry because I seen it was started making equal highs here. And I see that it started rejecting. So I just hop in for a sell and then really just tanked big time. I believe it tanked about, well, from where I entered, it tanked about 4,000 pips. The total move, let me see. Yep, about 5,000 pips. So yeah, so that just goes to show, although you're losing, just stick with it. One trade could literally put you put you in profit. All right, so keep that in mind. Keep that in mind and stick to your signature setup. This strategy is very simple. You're just looking for a clear uptrend or downtrend, and then you're waiting to catch the lower high or higher high. I mean, or higher low, depending on if you're looking for buys or sell. So this example was I wanted to hold. I'm still holding this trade on my live account, but I was already beat phase two, so there's no reason to hold. But for future reference, I believe that US 30 will continue selling down. We have to break below this low here. If we break below this low, we could look to catch another entry, a possible retracement to keep going down to around this level here. All right. So that's a little analysis for you guys, but some takeaways. Like I stated earlier, just really trade with with a clear mind. Don't let outside forces impact your trading. If you're not there mentally, I advise that you guys don't, be on the charts, because it really plays a factor in your performance. And I didn't know how big of a factor it could play until I went through it. So some advice for you guys: don't do it, and really just stick with it, and just don't give up, really. So anything's possible, because I kind of doubted myself if I was gonna be able to pass it. I was down 8%. That's crazy. And then somehow, some way, able to bring it back. So that's just a little update for you guys. I'm still working towards becoming 400K funded, and that's my main goal by the end of the year. So stay tuned. Much more videos dropping on that, and more videos on my strategy and how I pass, these challenges. So I'll keep you guys updated. That's it for this video. I'm out.